Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 2R and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the OHealth application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the OHealth application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the health page. Now tap on devices icon, and here you should see your OnePlus Watch 2R. Now scroll down, find the option called notifications, and tap on it. And if you don't have the required permissions enabled, you will see this page. And here you need to tap on turn on. It will redirect you to this page. Now you need to find the OHealth application. As you can see, we have two of them. First, let's tap on this one. Tap on the switch next to allow notification access. Tap on allow and go back. As you can see, the smart mode was turned on, but the power saver mode is still off. So we need to tap on turn on. Tap on the switch next to allow notification access. Tap on allow and then go back. And once you allow the required permissions, it will bring you to the notification page. And here we have two categories. We have notifications from watch apps and notifications from the phone apps. In the watch apps category, we have allow notifications from new apps and manage app notifications. Basically, this first option, allow notifications for new apps, is if you enable it and you install some new application on your watch, notifications for that application will be enabled automatically. Otherwise, you need to go here to manage app notifications, scroll through the list, find the app you want to enable, and you need to enable it by tapping on the switch next to the app. Okay, then we have the phone app, or rather phone apps, and here we have option sync phone notifications. You can turn it on or off. Next we have the silence incoming calls on phone. If you enable this option, basically if you receive the notification about calls on your watch, the notification on your phone will be muted, won't have any vibrate or ring. So only your watch will vibrate and ring if somebody is calling you, basically. Next we have the silence notifications on phone. If this option is enabled, you receive the notification from some app that is basically enabled for the notifications. You won't receive the vibration or ring for that notification on your phone. It will only happen on your watch. Next we have the when not wearing device. I'm gonna enable this option, but basically what this option does is it will sync the notifications even though you're not wearing your watch. I'm gonna enable it because otherwise it won't work for me, but you can keep it disabled if you like to. And then we have option when phone is unlocked. And basically, if this option is disabled, or enabled maybe, yeah, when this option is enabled, you will receive the notifications on your watch even though you're using your phone, your screen on your phone is unlocked. If you disable this option, you won't receive the notifications on your watch if the screen is unlocked on your phone. So depending on what you prefer. And then we have the do not sync silent notifications option. You can enable it. And finally we have manage app notifications. You can tap on it, and here we have the list of apps on our phone. Find the app you want to receive the notifications from. Make sure it is enabled, and once it is, it should be working. And I'm gonna try actually. So let's send ourselves a message. And we got the notification on our phone. Let's check our watch. And it is here. So it means it works, or it is working. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.